Hello everybody. Happy Thursday to you all. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening from wherever you're going to be watching this wonderful video. I believe that this short one will help somebody to get whatever form of religious liberation you want to get. How do I mean? If it is prayers that are working, then it means immediately you get to the presence of a pastor and he dishes out his prayers for you. As you are leaving the place, your problems should have been averted. Immediately you get to the presence of an afa or imam and say Bismillah Rahman Rahim and they dish out all their Alu Sabata whatever prayers. As you are leaving, instantly your prayers should be gone. When you go to Babalawo, after using the Okpele or Ikin to ask Eledumare or the Irumoles, what's your problem? Okay, you do this. If Eledumare is not the one that still has the final say, immediately your problems should be averted. But have you noticed that over time, when Eledumare decides, without you even knowing, the problem is gone, and immediately another one starts. Then some people who have said that our forefathers didn't know anything because ọmọ tó ní bàbá òun ò là pé ìyá òun ò wo ẹnu ẹ̀ lòun náà wà yẹn. I won't argue because you believe that every of the innovations that we are enjoying now, it is because of these Westerners that we're enjoying it. Yes, you will have forgotten that when we were studying quadratic equation, simultaneous equation, some of us did a lot of graphical solutions to most of the problems we had in physics and chemistry. That you plot the point of a correspondence between two coordinates, most especially in mathematics, we have the y and x coordinates. And most times in physics, after plotting your graph, you notice that the solution will be in an undulating manner. Little did we know that they were teaching us indirectly that life is not supposed to be a straight path. Hence, the problems that we have to face as humans. Yes, you now say that it is what the white people brought that allowed us to know all the things that we know. You have forgotten that our forefathers, without using graphical method, without even holding pen, there is a sentence that they have given us that if we consider in our lives today, little will be the energy we spend consulting different people for prayers. And what is that sentence? They said that ilé ayé ò lọ bí ọ̀pá àbọ̀n. So many of you have forgotten this very simple yet deep and impactful sentence. And how do I mean? In translation, the life that we are born into is not supposed to be as straight as the barrel of a gun. The reason being that the barrel of a gun, the inner bore through which the bullet travels must be perfectly straight, because if it is not, even the shooter of that or the user of such gun will be injured. So at the end of the day, you must make sure that the barrel of a gun is perfectly straight without any cover, no matter how small. Okay, but our lives are not supposed to be that straight. So our forefathers, without knowing figures, without knowing what graph book is, without knowing the kind of mathematics we did, yet they have applied the principle. We only learnt the principles in our mathematics, physics, chemistry, biology, economics, but we have refused to apply the principles to our basic life. So if our forefathers that we claim that they didn't know anything, it is the civilization they brought to us that we are enjoying, okay, then we now say that they don't know anything. Yet they told us before we even started studying, before they brought all this Western education to us, our forefathers told us that life is not supposed to be as straight as the barrel of a gun. Ilé ayé ò lọ bí ọ̀pá àbọn. If you silently and quietly consider this simple illustration that I've given, you will realize that challenges must always be. And thank God for the book you read that says, "Be still and know that I am what? That I am God." Lọ dúró jẹ́jẹ́, lọ fọkàn balẹ̀, torí wípé èmi ni Elédùmarè. The same Elédùmarè tó ń gbàgbára lọ́wọ́ alágbára, tó ń fún aláìlágbára lágbára, tó wá ń ti alágbára lọ kánrin kése. Lastly, I will still use this short video to still plead to the conscience of our God of men that you people call God's generals. Bunyi mọ́ wọn ní ká mọ̀ bẹ̀yìn ni, torí ẹ̀bẹ̀ là á bẹ òṣìkà kó bá ní dáwọ́ bí dúró. We are pleading with you, please, àti sọ lọ́sàn-án, a tún bẹ̀yìn ní alẹ́ yìí, ẹ jọ̀ọ́ nítorí Olódùmarè, torí ọjọ́ àti sùn, torí àtúbọ̀tán, torí àwọn ọmọ àtọmọmọ yín. Kẹ́ ẹ máa rántí ijọ́ tẹ́ dùbúlẹ̀ báyìí sẹ́, tí apá ò ní ṣe é gbé, tí ẹsẹ̀ ò ní ṣe é gbé, tẹ́ẹ̀mọ̀ wá fi ojú sọ̀rọ̀ pé nǹkan báyìí ló ń ṣe yín, wọn ní mọ ohun tó ń ṣe yín, gẹ́gẹ́ bí ọmọ kékeré tó ń sunkún tí ò lè sọ ohun tó ń ṣe. À ń bẹ̀ yín ni, ẹ bá wa tú àwọn èèyàn sílẹ̀. People are crying. How many of you remember this classic song, "Rejoice Africa"? That people are crying for a release. Ibi tẹ́ ẹ dè wọ́n mọ́, ẹ lọ tú wọn sílẹ̀, torí wàhálà máa wà lẹ́nìí, tó bá dọ̀la ìrọ̀rùn àwà, tó bá dọ̀tún la wàhálà mi àtún wà. Ìgbé ayé tàgbé ni ẹ yé fi àdúrà parọ́ tàwọn èèyàn jẹ mọ́. That is all we have to say. My name has not changed. Àwíkoko akékaka lójú ọlọ́rọ̀, torí tí bàbá ọlọ́rọ̀ ò bá gbọ́, kí ló fẹ́ fi mí ṣe? Rótìmí Daniel sí yín náà ni. Nonsense.